Have you ever poached an egg only to have the egg white fall apart?
Oh no!
Floating messily all over the pot? Many people think that poaching eggs is a chef's dish, something difficult to make and easy to mess up. But the truth is, it's not that you're doing it wrong with your hands, you're just missing a few crucial steps. Today, I'll show you how to poach eggs perfectly round and beautiful, with the white neatly wrapping around and the yolk meltingly runny, even if this is your very first time in the kitchen. If you've ever failed at poaching eggs, this video is for you. The most important factor for a perfect poached egg is to use the freshest eggs possible. A simple and effective way to check the freshness of an egg is to use your phone or a strong light source. First, turn on your phone's flashlight and place the egg on your hand, shining the light directly through the shell. Observe the inside of the egg. A fresh egg will typically have a round yolk positioned in the center, a thick and uniform white, and almost no large air pocket. In contrast, an older egg will have a flattened yolk that moves easily, a thinner white, and a large air pocket appearing at the top of the egg. This method allows you to quickly distinguish between fresh and old eggs without having to crack them into a bowl, ensuring you select the best and safest ones before cooking. Next, prepare a clean bowl and fill it with enough water to fully submerge the eggs. Add 1-2 tablespoons of lemon juice and a few fresh lemon slices to enhance disinfection and cleaning. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Then, gently place the eggs into the bowl and lightly shake or gently rub them with your hand to loosen the dirt and thin membrane stuck on the eggshell. Soak the eggs in the lemon solution for about 3-5 minutes so that the acid in the lemon can kill any remaining bacteria and make the membrane under the shell easier to separate when poaching. While sharing this tip, I'm really curious to know, how do you usually poach eggs? Do you use the traditional method in a pot of boiling water, add vinegar, or do you have your own special trick? Please share in the comments so everyone can learn from each other. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Once the pot is ready, place it on the stove and turn the heat to high, bringing the water to a strong boil. While waiting for the water to boil, we'll prepare the eggs. And ideally, if you've selected the freshest eggs possible, just crack the egg into a slotted spoon or a fine mesh strainer, gently swirl it, and scoop away the loose, watery part of the egg white. Removing this loose white helps the egg maintain a perfectly round shape. The yolk won't spread out or drift away as it cooks, resulting in beautifully smooth and neat poached eggs. Once you've removed all the loose white, transfer the egg into a small bowl or ramekin. This makes it much easier to slide the egg into the pot later. I also made a version with 3 eggs placed on the same plate. Watch until the end, you're bound to be surprised. Each viewer brings their own story, their own world, their own little corner of life. If you're comfortable, please leave a comment and let me know where you're from. I'd really love to connect with you, not just make videos and scroll past each other. At this point, the water should be boiling. Turn the heat down to low. You should only see a few small bubbles forming at the bottom of the pot, but no vigorous bubbling on the surface. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to the water and stir gently to create a whirlpool. The vinegar helps the egg white coagulate quickly and prevents it from breaking apart. You don't need to worry about any sour vinegar taste because the high heat of the boiling water will completely neutralize it, leaving the egg with its natural, delicious flavor intact. Creating a whirlpool is definitely effective. I highly recommend doing this if you're only poaching 1 or 2 eggs. Once you've created a strong swirl, gently slide the egg into the center and watch as it forms a beautiful poached shape. Set a timer for 3 minutes for a fully set white with a runny yolk. If you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, add another 30 seconds. When the time is up, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift out your perfectly poached egg. If you're satisfied, simply pat the poached egg dry with a paper towel to remove excess water and serve it. You can also gently tap the egg to check the doneness and return it to the water if you'd like it a bit firmer. If there are any small stray strands of egg white remaining, you can simply trim them off with kitchen scissors. This is actually the technique restaurants often use to achieve perfectly shaped poached eggs. Then place the egg into the ice water bath to ensure the yolk stops cooking, and I'll show you how to reheat it later. If you want to poach multiple eggs at the same time without using the whirlpool method, you can absolutely do that. Just gently slide each egg into the water, maintaining the same water depth and temperature as before. You can use a spoon to gently stir the water around the eggs to help them form a rounder shape if desired. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After 3 minutes, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift the poached eggs out. All right, now that you have beautiful poached eggs, let me share with you one of my favorite poached egg breakfast recipes. How are you frying your eggs? In this second tip, I'm giving you a very special egg frying trick. First, I will prepare 4 fresh chicken eggs. Carefully crack 3 of the eggs into a bowl very gently so that the yolks do not break. Next, I added 2 tablespoons of milk to the bowl. To season it to my liking, I added a little salt and black pepper. Then use a fork to mix all the ingredients together thoroughly. After finishing, I placed a small pan on the stove and added enough cooking oil to cover about half of the pan. I heated it over medium heat until the oil was hot. You can check the oil temperature by dipping a spoon or wooden chopstick into it. If you see small bubbles rising to the bottom of the pan, the oil is ready. At this point, I take out the slotted spoon, hold it at a suitable distance from the pan, and pour the prepared egg mixture through the spoon so that the egg flows into the pan. Thanks to the hot oil, the egg will puff up very quickly, creating a beautiful visual effect. Remove the eggs from the pan. You can enjoy them with chili sauce and mayonnaise. This is a very quick and easy dish that looks incredibly beautiful. Try making it at home and let me know the results. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support means a lot and helps me bring you more simple, healthy cooking tips. See you in the next video.